right? So these are switched. So we look. I forgot to record, so I'm just going to record while I'm going back over with you guys. So here was negative 7, 5. Then negative 2, 2. These are the blue dots, okay? And then we head into the black dots, right? They are opposites of each other, correct? Right? This one goes to here. This goes here. This goes here, and that goes there. Okay? So yes, they are inverses of each other. Why? Why? What's with their order of pairs? Yeah, right? They're opposites. They have the inverted ordered pair. Right? All right, we're going to go ahead and go down to these. Okay, somebody tell me my first step. What do I do first? Good. Somebody other than Sebastian, give me my second step.
Change the line F.
Good. Somebody other than Cam and Sebastian. Next step. Good. From both sides, right? Okay. Those cancel out. I have x minus 4 equals 2y. Somebody that has not volunteered. So other than the three of them, somebody yell out. Don't make me call them, people. Go ahead, Alan. Good. These twos cancel out. Am I done? Somebody tell me. Besides somebody that's volunteered. What do I do here?
Replace y with f negative.
F inverse of x. This is your answer. Okay? All right, let's go to the other one. First step. Somebody. Good. Change f of x to y. Next step. Good. Next step. What do we have to do here first? I have to get rid of the fraction. So what am I multiplying by? Good. Thank you. So when you multiply, write it up here because it's going to be easier for you to see. Okay? So each of those terms I'm multiplying by 3. Okay? Because what's going to happen is these 3's are going to cancel out. And then I'm going to have 3x equals 2y plus 18. Right? Does everyone see how I got that? I just multiplied each term by 3, so I can cancel out the denominator. Okay? Somebody tell me what's next.
You replace the y.
Nope, did that already. I have to start solving for y, so how do I do that? What's my first step? Good. Once again, this side, these are not like terms, right? They have to stay. Final step. Good, divide by 2. Okay, so, am I done? Yes, you can simplify here. I'm not worried about that. I know how you know. I know that you guys know how to simplify. But what do I have to do here with this y? Good. Okay? Last one. Oops, now I already gave you the answer to one of them. Someone tell me what's next. Left side. Somebody in the back, left side. You guys over here. Somebody yell it out. What's next? Good. Go ahead, somebody else. Good. Not like terms, right? Now, We're good here. We don't have to divide by anything. But what do I have to do? All right? There's no dividing there because there's no number in front of the y. All right? So we can't divide by anything. You could divide by 1, but that's useless. Okay? On to the back. Okay. Somebody yell them out that has not volunteered yet. This is simple. Just change them. Yell them out.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
You're going down?
Yeah.
Okay. Go across, though, when you do that, okay?
Okay. Well, now it's -3, -4, -5, -6,
Do we all see how that happened? We're okay with that? I just flipped my x's and my y's. Okay? Now, this goes to itself. This is a different question. So, somebody but other than Kawan, flip my order pairs. Flip them for me.
4, 2.
Good.
7, -5.
Good.
3, -3.
Good.
And 4, 4.
Okay. That should be your answer to that one.
We don't have to graph it?
You're graphing the next one. See, it's B and C. They're two different questions.
Oh, that makes sense.
Okay, so somebody give me the points of these. Give me the 5 points, 6 points. Read them out. Somebody, anyone. Good. 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 Okay, somebody other than her, switch them for me. Give me the new order pairs. Good. Give me the next one. Good, keep going. Good. 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 Got it for you. Okay? Now you graph these points, okay? So 2, -2. 1, 1. 1, 4. 0, 5. -3, -3. -5, 0. Okay, quickly. I want to go over something. Who remembers how to determine a function or not? If a graph's a function, you have to do this test. What's it called? Something test. Oh, what are you saying? Something line test. A vertical line test. Good, okay? How we do that is this left side a function. So at every dot, I'm going to draw lines through it, okay? Do I ever hit more than one dot when I draw my lines? So that is a function. Okay? So, function. Okay? I'm going to go over to this one. Every dot. So here, do I hit 2 dots on the same vertical line? Yes. So that means it's not a function. Okay? That's important to remember.